In this video, I'll show you how to find out the kernel version of your Ubuntu system. Start by opening the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt and T at the same time. Once the terminal opens, type this command uname -r, now press enter. You will see a number like this, 65.0-17-generic. This is your current Linux kernel version. The first part, like 6.5, tells you the main kernel version. The rest gives you more specific build information. There is another way to check the kernel version with more details. Type this command uname -a, press enter again. This command shows more information about your system, including the kernel version, the system name, and more. But for most users, the first command is enough. If you want even more detailed kernel information, you can also use this command cat/proc/version. This will print out the full version string directly from the kernel. All three commands work well. You can use the one that gives you the right amount of detail for what you need. That's it. You now know how to check your Ubuntu system's kernel version using simple terminal commands. Thanks for watching.